The remnant of the cyclonic storm Sitrang, which created a deep depression over Bangladesh, has further weakened into a well-marked low-pressure area, officials from the Indian Meteorological Department said on Tuesday. Meanwhile, light to moderate rainfall at most places with isolated heavy to very heavy rains is likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura today. Wind speed reaching 40 to 50 km per hour, gusting to 60 km per hour is expected over South Assam and adjoining East Meghalaya and Manipur during the next 12 hours and decrease gradually thereafter. Different states in the northeast experienced heavy to very heavy rainfall and strong winds during the last 24 hours. As Cyclone Sitrang battered parts of Bangladesh on Monday, at least 9 people have died after a cyclone slammed into Bangladesh, forcing the evacuation of around 1 million people from their homes, media reports said on Tuesday.